Get ready for laughter, joy, and heartwarming moments as kids, dogs, and other adorable animals share unforgettable adventures together.
It's functional, it's beautiful.
Watch
and
playful
it's
puppies, curious cats, and other animals interact with children in funny, surprising, and entertaining situations.
Yes, it's not your stop. Friend of the jazz will not quit.
From lap steels, which were used in Hawaiian music.
인사하는 거야.
Of the 16 candidates, 80% of the vote.
Just bragging about.
From silly games and playful chases to unexpected reactions, cute discoveries, and hilarious little accidents, every moment brings something different.
¡Ya estoy harta! ¡A su cuarto! ¡Resuélvanlo como hermanos!
Gotcha.
He wants to go up and up. Tell him, Nancy, up, up then.
You'll see kids making new furry friends, dogs showing their funny personalities, animals reacting to children in unexpected ways, and plenty of sweet moments filled with friendship, excitement, and laughter.
Be nice. Don't wake that baby up.
He's hugging you, Maggie.
He can't throw it yet. Bro.
This fun collection is perfect for anyone who loves adorable kids, playful dogs, cute animals, and happy family-friendly entertainment.
Frankie.
Hold on to it tight. Hold on to it tight. Come on, you got it. Come on, you got it.
Can you get him again?
Playful moments between kids and their furry friends. Adorable reactions that will make you smile. Energetic playtime full of excitement and laughter. Gentle and touching moments between kids and pets. Funny encounters between children and curious animals. Sweet moments filled with laughter and joy.
Hey, Mama. Not you. Say Mama.
Kids and animals creating their own funny adventures. Unexpected friendships that bring smiles and happiness. Cute pets showing their funniest personalities. Unexpected animal reactions to playful kids. Little adventures shared with furry companions. Kids having fun with their adorable four-legged friends. Funny surprises that nobody saw coming.
And well.
Stay until the end for more funny surprises and unforgettable animal moments.
Who's on your blanket?
Emma, quit licking the water.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more fun and adorable moments.